Yeah, I have this serving tray that I just got done playing in, and I got some bubble holes from the epoxy. I got this CA glue, Star Bond, and what I like to do is put it in the hole, and then I get like a pin, piece of wire, because that hole creates a little suction and sometimes it doesn't like to get in there, so I get a little pin and work it around in there until it fills the hole up. And after I know it's filled, then I'll hit it with the activator, and it hardens within like 30 seconds, and then you're ready to sand.